Hip and knee replacements are normally very successful, with low complications and high satisfaction rates. They often last 15 to 20 years or more. However, in some cases, patients may not be completely satisfied with their joint, or there could be other problems leading to the joint being revised. The main reasons why joint replacements need to be redone include wear and loosening of the implant over many years, infection around the joint, dislocation in hip replacements, instability or stiffness in knee replacements, or in some cases, fracture around the implants. If your joint replacement is starting to fail, you may notice some signs or symptoms such as increasing pain that wasn't there before, swelling, redness or warmth around the joint, instability, clicking or the feeling that the joint is giving way, a reduced range of motion, or difficulty doing the activities that you could previously manage comfortably. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to have the joint assessed early. I take a tailored approach to any problematic joint. Apart from assessing you clinically, I'll arrange x-rays and sometimes specialised scans or blood tests to check for infection or implant loosening. If we find an issue with your joint, then we can discuss what can be done to rectify it. A revision procedure usually involves removing some or all of the existing implant and replacing it with new components. It's a more complex surgery than the initial replacement, as changes to the surrounding bone and soft tissues may need to be managed carefully. The good news is that the revision surgery can often restore comfort and function. The key is to identify the problem early, plan the operation carefully, and use modern techniques and implant designs that give you the best possible long-term results.
Dr. Danny Awwad is an orthopaedic surgeon with Orthopaedics SA. He consults and operates at Flinders Private, Ashford, the Memorial and Western Hospitals. For appointments, call 08 8267 8286 or email dawwadadmin@orthosa.com.au.